Well, good morning, and thanks for tuning back in. Yeah, since my rant in the last video I did, I just wanted to give you a bit of an update on how things are going. So I just want to start with a heartfelt and special thanks to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Yeah, we're just blown away by the support we've had, and I'm feeling much better, thank you. We've had 189 new subscribers come on board since the last video went out a week ago, and we've had over 4,000 views on that video. So yeah, what can I say? Thanks so much, guys. It means the absolute world, and it just spurs me along to carry on. And we've also had some amazing comments on that video too. So yeah, thanks very much for all your support. It means the absolute world, and I will carry on making videos. Yeah, so we're currently still here at the Albert Town motor camp. This is looking down onto the Clutha River. It's a bit of an overcast sort of day today, but it's still a very nice spot to be parked up for a few weeks, that's for real. Yeah, so this week we haven't been doing a lot of filming. It's mainly been just catching up on a few projects at home or at the caravan. So yeah, I've been giving the caravan a good going over and a good polish. Got up on the roof and cleaned and polished all the roof, and then polished all the sides of the caravan. It's just nice to have it looking really good, and especially coming up to winter, where we probably going to be getting a lot more rain than we've been having. It's just nice to have it all polished up, and yeah, looking its best is always a bonus too. So yeah, so we're doing that. What else do we do? Oh, I did all the windows too. We use stuff called Viewplex on all the Perspex windows in the caravan, and it keeps them looking like new, and takes out any little wee minor scratches that they might have in there as well. So it's really good stuff actually, and it's almost like the water just sort of runs straight off it too. It's the same stuff they use on aircraft windows, and you can actually buy it from Bunnings. It's called Viewplex. I might put a pic of the can or something in there so you can see what it is. And the polish I used was a Maguire's polish, and it's specifically for gel coat, either for boats or caravans or motorhomes, as some polishes tend to make the finish a little bit yellowy in colour over time. This one is specifically for gel coat. So yeah, so I'll put a pic of that in as well. Yeah, so that's sort of what we've been doing with the caravan. I've still got to check all underneath it, yeah, to make sure everything's all tight. And also the ute or truck or pickup truck or whatever you want to call it, from what part of the world you're in. I put that in for a warrant of fitness the other day, which is a requirement here in New Zealand. Every 12 months the vehicle's got to go in for a warrant of fitness, and the front brakes were the front brake pads were down, so it failed. So yeah, we shot over to Queenstown to Repco, which is an auto parts store here in New Zealand, and got some new brake shoes, pads. Came back and I put those in yesterday, and then took it back in for a retest, and that's all good. So yeah, that's all legal beagle again, and all set for our journey up the west coast, which what's today? Thursday today. So probably Sunday, maybe Monday, we'll head off up the west coast and start our next leg of the journey. Yeah, so we did have quite a few comments too about people wanting to see the wheels at Wanaka here. So I am going to take the camera along on Saturday when I go to that, and I'll do my best to try and get some good footage for you. With the GoPro, you've got to be reasonably close to things to get a good sort of shot, so we'll have to see how that goes. I have got a Canon camera, DSLR camera as well, which I could take along and zoom in on a few things, but we'll just sort of see how far away I am from what's going on as to which camera I use. So hopefully I can get some good footage for you. So and I've got some friends coming down from Wakatani, where we're from, up in the Bay of Plenty, up in North Island. So I want to catch up with them while I'm there as well. So yeah, so it was just a short video today, just really thanking you all for the support you've given us and the channel. It means the absolute world to us, and just want to say a really special thank you. So yeah, so the next video will be coming to you from the wheels at Wanaka, so tune in again for that one, and yeah, we will see you in the next one. See ya.